This really weird thing happened the other day. A client sent me a video. It was me, my face, my voice, talking about something I never said. He'd made it himself using some AI tools and probably took him about 10 minutes. And his message was very casual. Hey, look, since your team's already doing it, I figured I'd show you what's possible. I had no idea what he was talking about. So I checked with my team. My team had submitted a short for approval, and I saw it in the queue and I heard the first few seconds. It was just a text placard and it had my voice. It did sound like me in the first bit, so I approved it. Turns out it wasn't me. What they'd used was some synthetic voice feature to generate the voiceover. Thought it would save time, didn't flag it as artificial, and I approved it. I didn't catch it. The audience caught it immediately, because if you listen to more of the audio, it doesn't sound like me in bits. So if you have a podcast audience like I do, this is really something you've got to be careful about. People who listen every week, they'll notice straight away. So what I missed in the approval queue went through to the public. Of course, we deleted it straight away, and I put a very clear SOP. We don't use synthesized voice for me. It only happened in the team because they're innovative. They followed the instructions in the content package, which was slides with my voice. I would have liked to record that personally, but there was already damage there, right? Trust eroded, even if briefly, even if a few people listened to it. So this is why I'm not cloning myself. And right now, many smart people are racing to scale with synthetic versions of themselves. AI voices, AI video, AI everything. It sounds efficient, infinite content, zero effort. But if you are a personal brand and you're selling trust, trust is the real you. AI clone can generate content, but it doesn't generate trust. People feel the difference even when they can't explain it. I know the tools are good, right? They're amazing. But it's, in my mind, it's just a bit of a parlor trick. I think what happened to me with my client proved it. My audience proved it. I proved it. And I almost missed it myself. They're that good. So I use AI consistently behind the scenes, but for leverage, for speed, for indexing all my frameworks, for working out the right thing to do at the right time, for catching problems, identifying gaps, coming up with plans. But I don't use it to replace me. The content you're watching right now is me. And that matters. It matters to me, but it will really matter to people who value authenticity and trust. If you want to work with the real me, then the link is below.